Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from WebTech Tutorial. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how to get AOL Mail notifications on iPhone. If you want to receive the AOL Mail notifications on your iPhone, then you will need to ensure that the notification settings are enabled for the AOL Mail app. So in order to do that, open the Settings application from your app drawer. Once you end up inside the Settings tab, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now, search for the AOL application and tap on it. Toggle on the button right next to Allow Notification, and you can further customize the notification settings according to your preference. These include options such as allowing banners, sounds, badges, and selecting the notification style. Once you've configured the AOL Mail notification settings to your liking, you can now exit the Settings application. Once you've enabled notifications for AOL Mail on your iPhone, you should start receiving notifications whenever you receive any new emails in your AOL mailbox. So that is how you can easily get AOL Mail notifications on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.